Okay, if you just join us, this is now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the inside court where the trial of Nnamdi Kanu go start. We don't hear from Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer then, but this now the prosecution lawyer where they handle the government side. They say no one talk, and that when the trial finish, you go fit talk to us, but he say no they talk. But we know say they don't amend charges for Nnamdi Kanu trial today. When we hear say they don't summer another, they don't amend the charges for him. When we tell Nancy, we can give a small explanation as an informate on top the ordinary people where they understand what they happen. So, prosecution lawyer, just tell us briefly what they happen for court today for our PG audience. Okay, so now don't hear, you know, they do media trial, but the prosecution lawyer don't dey court, and also the defense counsel. Now we know say they don't carry ogbonge san where go lead the counsel, where go lead the Nnamdi Kanu trial today, and no be person when I know sabi. Now our own son Mike Ezekume now go lead the counsel for the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. Hello, son. We know that you're here and you're the lead counsel. Could you just tell us briefly, maybe in pidgin, waiting the ordinary people may they expect for court today from Una, considering the fact say they don't amend the charges against your client?
They just amend the charge. This came in last 2nd December 2021. And that time, when they don't amend this thing, so they make the defendant, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, comes here and make it lawyers comes here. You know, see, nobody tell us, nobody talk up. Only yesterday, comes here, they come give back to us. And the case now this morning, even as they tell us, Nnamdi Kanu never even say they don't amend the charge. Because if you go there, DSS no go let people when they see him. So even as I just sit down here, I never even see him. He himself never even know. Say they don't amend the charge because we never see. Because of that, when I say, the way that they do it, we say, they don't want to make the case go on today. Because if they won't make it go on today, therefore they will serve all this thing. Even if not last week, even if not 2 weeks ago. Why is this yesterday when they get it for today? So then they go, say this night, we will go party with this. This one will be justice for Nnamdi Kanu. This one will be justice. Justice they say it will balance out for the state, their business, and also for the society. This will be justice and
Okay. Okay, so now you the lead the proceeding. Now you the lead for Nnamdi Kanu place now. Now when you don't take over the team, the legal team. Now when you don't take over, what thing will change? Which new approach will we go see for this case? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so I don't hear. The defense lawyer, the prosecution lawyer, all of them don't take court today. The prosecution lawyer say then they know they do media trial. Say they don't know what they write and they can't pay to though they ready to continue with the trial. And the prosecution lawyer say, well, and these new changes where they do, they carry amend the charges, then they never see them say, they can't pay like that. But maybe they see waiting go play out for court today. So, like we say, we day inside court for the Federal High Court, Nigerian capital, where the trial of Nnamdi Kanu go soon start. The judge never come, but both the prosecution and the defense lawyer, all of them don't turn that for here. Even journalists have done ready, and everybody don't sit down to watch waiting go happen today. Waiting we know say go happen be say the new charges, then go read and to Ram, make he plead guilty or not guilty to Ram. And if that won't happen, then go see whether they will continue with the trial. But if you just join us, this now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Nigerian capital, Abuja, where the trial of Nnamdi Kanu go start. We know say this trial don't day since 2015. Make we give a timeline of waiting and waiting don't happen. We know say now for October 2015 they arrest and arraign Kanu on top charges of treasonable felony, unlawful possession of arms, and illegal importation of broadcast equipment for Federal High Court Abuja. The same October 2015, Kanu and the defendants denied the charges then. December 2015, court ordered the release of Nnamdi Kanu, but the federal government refused to comply. For another December 2015, the federal government filed another 5-count charge of treasonable felony against him. And even though other courts being say made them go lock him for Kuje prison, citing threats to national security. For May 2016, Nnamdi Kanu carry cry go ECOWAS, say the Nigerian government no one grant and bail. For 2017, the federal government, the Federal High Court for Abuja can grant and bail on health grounds. For April 2017, Kanu can become free man once again after them detain him for 18 months. For September 2015, Kanu can japa from Niger. September 2017, the lawyer where they represent Kanu then say he never yarn with his client since September 14 when soldiers invading house for Imo State. October 2017, when court resumed in treason trial, Kanu be no show for court. Now till them, that case they go on. The case been dragged till for 2021 for June. Now government repatriate Nnamdi Kanu can enter Niger. Now the country where they repatriate him from we don't know, but we know say they repatriate him from one country like that. Come Niger. The brothers been saying now from Kenya, but Kenya government for press interview with BBC deny and say them they no be the one where repatriate and say they no get hand for the matter. For that June 2021 court order make them lock him for SSS custody until July 26. For July 26, 2021, court adjourn, then carry on come court adjourn the case to October 21, 2021. For October, they bring Kanu come court with plenty security and court adjourn to 10th November. For 10th November, case be no hold. Sake of waiting happen. Nnamdi Kanu lawyers them say since they no allow other lawyers gain access to the courtroom, then they no fit continue with the case. They can't stage walkout. For December 2nd, 2021, they can't do an emergency trial where we say the Nnamdi Kanu lawyers can't they ask say make court bring the case come forward. That is, it's made they abridge the time for trial come forward. And as sake of that, the judge them, the judge where been the preside over the matter, Binta Mnyako, come move the case from 19 come 18. And today, now the 18 where the trial they start like this. So the trial goes last for 3 days, where be 18, 19, and 20. Waiting we know so far, be say Nnamdi Kanu dey court. We now know say the person they lead the legal team for Nnamdi Kanu na San Mike Ezekome, where be San for Nigeria, where also where be Ogbonge lawyer for Nigeria. Now he go they lead the council, they lead the legal team for Nnamdi Kanu. And so we go to hear waiting go to take court today. And also we know say the prosecution council, them they also tender for here, they ready can't pay. And say then they set, but they no go do media trial, and they no go chukum out on top media matter, or say their case go speak for them. So now so far now waiting they happen for inside court where we did for Federal High Court Abuja be this.